Alright, ladies and gentlemen, LinogotKicks here, and we're back for another video. So today we'll be doing a cleaning on, you guessed it, the All-Star Superstars. I'm pretty sure that's what you call it. The Adidas All-Stars, aka Shell Toes, aka I don't know what else they call them. But we will be cleaning these up, really dirty, as you can see. Super dirty. We'll be cleaning this up. By the end of the video, they will be looking basically brand new. Alright guys, so the thing turned out well. As you can see, look at it. Look at this. Basically new. Not basically new, but it looks way better than the last one. Looks way more whiter. Way more better. The only thing the only flaw on these right now is this. The stitching and the inner part, and that's only because this is dirty. So really, if I just put these inside the if I just put these in the washer and then let them dry with my fan or something, it would basically look brand new. Just put soap on here and then throw them inside the washer, and then it'll look brand new and look way better, as you guys can see. Let me see. I'm probably gonna post pictures too after this, but way better. Way better. These look way better. And so tomorrow there will be another video because I did order some cleaning supplies. As you can see, this is way cleaner. I did order some cleaning supplies, so I should be having a video on that, me unboxing that. That's supposed to come here tomorrow at like, I don't know, it said by 9 o'clock it should be here, so hopefully it's here. Yeah, it's been LinogotKicks, and I'll see you guys later.